minus 10 and counting. Mark. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
The stars, brilliant as diamonds. Space, cold as the winter wind. Timeless. Inky blackness, deep and silent. Or is it? Mortal men venture into the great unknown, like explorers of the dawn, and looking down, find themselves looking up. To be afraid and not care that you are afraid is the courage of which astronauts are made. The alien, opal light of Arrhenius filters through indigo dust. A spaceship sailing across cosmic oceans of yellow and red turquoise, drifting down green and purple galactic seas. Listen to Saturn's mystery of music, telling fortunes to the universe. The sun is one, claiming the solar system as its home, bursting with yellow splendor. Is man really exploring an atom with room to spare?